not a habit.
I do not sound like that. No, hey, it's teamwork. We were going to talk about teamwork. Don't you feel foolish?
Oh yeah, I feel so foolish. I feel like Mom. Right after you were born!
What?
Oh, you got him, you got him.
She got him, actually. That's funny because that's when you were born. But it seems sympathetic. I didn't like it. Okay, yeah.
See how awkward that was?
Yeah, I know. It was weird.
My point exactly.
Okay.
There's so many hands.
Are you done?
Okay, now I'm done.
Good, 'cause we gotta talk about teamwork. So, for our first and basically only exercise we're doing today, we're gonna see how well all of you, a huge group of complete strangers, works together as a team. What could go wrong?
What?
Do not eat the child, get the buckets of doom!
Fine.
So they're actually just buckets with water in them, but buckets of doom sounds way better.
Two buckets incoming. One thing we know is that when a dragon starts a fire, you have to put it out fast! So we're gonna see how quickly you all work together as a team.
And I don't know what we need. We need a little friend. Maybe our new friend, Gary! Gary! Oh, no, Gary! It's Ruffnut and Tuffnut from Fire School. Gary, come on over. Everybody, clap for Gary.
Everybody stop clapping for Gary. Gary hasn't done anything. Yet.
Hey, Gary, is this your first time? Being sacrificed to the gods!
Yes. Whoa.
Gary, is this your first time in front of a real woman?
Ew, where? Gross.
Gary! Oh man, it's hot outside. It's hard to tell. Though when you're standing next to fire!
Back, down, girl, down. Oh, of course, there's a child right there. Ugh,
Whatever.
man. Gary, do you give us permission to not get mad at us for anything we're about to do to you?
I do. Yeah.
Gary, do you have any possessions in your pockets that you want to give back to your friends and our family because they could become wet?
Hey, Gary, is there something for practice deal?
Gary! Great.
Gary, put this on.
Where's
It's a little peekaboo game. It's like, oh, Gary went away. It's a poncho, Gary. There's one way in. Come on.
Gary, I've never worn clothes before. Come on.
No, other way. And
Gary, you are so fire!
all right, so what we're gonna do now is form a nice little line around here. So everybody make sure we're in one big old line. You are going to form our bucket brigade. Everybody say bucket brigade.
Bucket brigade.
Excellent. So your job is to pass these buckets as quickly as possible until they make it to the end. Now, be careful because they have water in them.
Oh, that is the stuff you drink before you pee.
That's science. And because we need that water to help out with whatever's going on back here, make sure that you don't spill it.
No.
We need that water to I'm sorry. I meant the fire out.
Okay, Gary, I know. Don't worry. This costume is able to get wet.
Excellent. And for everybody else who was too lazy to just take 2 steps up to the front line, don't worry. I will make you participate. Yes. You are going to clap along while the front row, no, not yet. While the front row is passing the buckets, okay? Let's do it again.
You will pass the bucket.
Excellent.
Everybody
Are you
else,
ready?
you're going to clap while they pass the, no, not yet. Come on, nobody listens. You're doing great.
You are going to do the dance while they all pass the bucket.
Come on, Gary Bear, show us your move.
Oh.
Dance.
Oh.
Dance, Gary. Dance. Oh, my goodness. Some fires really spread, okay? So you gotta be careful.
Do this!
Let's go.
Okay.
On your marks.
Oh, yeah.
Put the drinks down first.
Okay.
Get set.
Go!
Go!
Pass! Nice one-handed pass! Yes, come on, come on. No! See how happy
Rough.
Stop your chanting for one moment while I make a point, okay? The fire wasn't even out yet. Besides, it wasn't about competition. It was all about
Give me your hand, give me your hand, give me your
teamwork! All right, you know they're gonna take that off.
Yeah, Gary.
Go! Ah,
Free.
whoa!
Like a-
Did we just do something? No, that's impossible.
You say it.
Oh, something, right? Oh, I got this weird feeling inside. Is that accomplishment?
Quick, let's go rub and pick up space before the feeling subsides.
Excellent. School is out. Bye, Vikings.
You get like the biggest letter or whatever.
Rub.
Oh yeah.
It's like they didn't take anything away from me. All right. Nobody watch while I put this on. It's super embarrassing. I have to buckle it. It's an ocean requirement.
Everyone, make sure you look super closely.
That is very heavy. No, whoa, what? I didn't like that she took off the dragon riding gun. Don't look. Jump it.
Look at me instead.
Yay!
Don't worry, I'm back. You can applaud for me too. But no. Well, that was the end. Thanks for the. Thank you, kind stranger. Really, it is your generosity that has gotten me through this. I was on the edge. I was gonna jump in the fire truck. I don't know how to swim, but you. Bless you and your sticky face.
I thought I was the one floating in the area.
He's the new brother-in-law. Hey, thanks a lot for all your help today, Vikings. Oh, Uncle Pound. We are out of here, Vikings.
Bye-bye. Mila.